In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the brake pedal pad on this Toyota Tacoma. Let's get started. To remove the old one, unless yours is completely broken already, just peel up one of the corners. That should allow you to continue peeling it off of the brake pedal. There we go. Remove that. Then take your new one. I like to line it up at the top first, especially on these pedals that are slightly curved, because you can slide it down. Start in one corner and then just work your way around it. And the bottom is going to be the more difficult part, mostly because it has to slide further than it's meant to go and then up and around the back. You could also stick your fingers behind it and pull it as long as it's flexible enough and stretchy enough. And it is very important to make sure that this is properly secured, because if it isn't, and let's say you step on the brakes hard for a panic stop and this slips off, that is not a good time. So this one is properly secured. You want to feel around on the back side, make sure that the lip has gone up and around it and that it is not hanging off at all. This is perfect, so we're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.